Golf as a sport has inspired kings, heads of states, business and community leaders, and maybe even rookies like me. Spending 4 hours with somebody on the golf course is one of the best ways to get to know them. You know, as they say, the most important shot in golf, as in life, is the next one. Let's see what a golf course is worth.
Hi, I'm Bharat Kanodia. I have valued many unique businesses like hotels, casinos, airports, and large technology companies. I educate owners on valuations so they can maximize their business's value. Golf, like any other recreational industry, booms in good times. Did you know that 1/3 of Americans either play or watch golf?
There are 17,000 golf courses in America, making $20 billion annually and supporting 100 million golfers. There are 3 trends that are reshaping this industry and the game as we speak.
1. Less is more. Over 50% of golfers are millennials and women who prefer shorter events, 9 holes that can be completed in about 90 minutes. Their tastes are also changing. Food menus, beverage choices, and services available at a golf course. Where the millennials and women go, the trends follow. They are the future. 2. Tech and fashion. Swing analyzers, lighter clubs, Bluetooth music, breathable, lightweight clothing, and even video games have reinvented how people enjoy this 500-year-old sport.
3. Environment. Environment has always been a controversial topic in golf. Smart greenskeepers know that when it comes to environmentally friendly courses, simple is better. Low water grasses, GPS sprayers, natural fertilizers, and riding mowers help you keep the greens and tees in ship shape.
Rule of thumb. Tell me if you've heard these before. You should have at most 14 clubs in your bag. Penalty stroke balls should be dropped from knee height. You'll never have a good swing if you have a bad golf grip. These are more guidelines than strict rules that you can use to improve and enjoy the game of golf. Golf courses used to sell for 8 to 10x on earnings or EBITDA. But since only 20% of the golf courses have positive cash flow, the more prevalent measure of value is the gross revenue multiplier.
Golf courses can sell anywhere from 1 to 1.5x of their annual gross revenue. This multiple can be as low as 0.5 or as high as 3x, depending on the location and the quality of the course. At some point, one has to consider if the land is worth more than the business itself. There are 4 reasons investors of golf courses pay big money for. 1. Cash is king. Think logically. If the golf course isn't making money, why would someone buy it? That's why the 20% of the courses that do make money are most sought after.
2. Highest and best use. If the course isn't making money, why would an investor purchase a vast green plot of land? It's difficult to start and increase the revenue of a golf course, so alternate real estate options like housing developments are often more viable. This is highly dependent on the current economic climate. 3. Low capital expenditures. Poorly maintained courses take effort, resources, and time to restore. They require huge financial commitments from investors without a promise of future returns. Smart investors avoid these locations. 4. Memorable events. Golf courses offer opportunities to create great memories like a hole-in-one or a proposal. The profitable 20% of the courses are generally known for fun outings, family events, weddings, and other community building activities, making them extremely attractive to investors.
Peter Jacobson said, "One of the most fascinating things about golf is how it reflects the circle of life. No matter what you shoot, the next day you have to go back to the first tee and start all over again and make yourself into something." We know the species that survive aren't the strongest, but the ones who adapt and overcome the fastest. Thanks for watching.